Hey guys, James with you. We are now on the 4K Wi-Fi full spectrum camcorder, and I want to let you see what it's doing. As you can see, I'm just panning around my computer station here, just letting you see what it does. Now we're on infrared, night vision ghost hunting camera. We're back to normal camera. Yeah, I just wanted to let you see what this can do. I mean, it's just a standard camcorder. I mean, right the middle in for me. I like it a lot. It's going to be just what I want. But I don't know your camera needs or what you want to do with a camcorder. But for me, it's just shooting reviews and possibly taking it outside to the wilderness. That's probably what I'll do with it. But until our next review, have a nice day.